Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create stylish trending name design using AI. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Now you go to Google on your phone, you type in Bing image creator as you can see now on your screen, Bing image creator, then click on search. So the first website, as you can see, www.bing.com, that's the first website you can see. Then you click on it. As you can see, I click on it. So when it loads, it's loading. So as you can see now, we are in. So if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. You have to register with your email. So now let me paste the prompt. So before I do that, let me just tell you something real quick. So as you can see, you see there 15 coin. As you can see there, that is 15 coin. Then that means surprise me. So when I paste the prompt, I'll click on surprise me. Then that 50 coin, it will reduce to 14. So let me paste it. So as you can see, I've pasted this prompt now. Now as you can see, the 15 coin have deducted to 14. That is -1, as you can see there. Wow, we have 4 different images of a name. So let us check it one by one. That's for Sophia. So this is the first one. Let us scroll to the second one. Wow, not that correct. Wow, love this, love this. Let's scroll. Whoa, love this too. This is good. So this is good. So if you want to download this, you will click on the arrow there. Let me show you guys this side. So you click on that arrow. So let me click on that now. Let me click on this. So as you can see, download the file downloaded already. So that's how to download the image if you like it on Bing image creator. So let me show you other ones I've done already. So let me show you one by one the ones I've done already. So as you can see, I used the same prompt. I just changed the name to Aisha. So let us check it one by one. So I'm loading the first one. Oh, not really good. The spelling is not correct. Wow, love this. So elegant. Look at the butterfly. Love this. So lovely. So let us check the other ones too as well. Wow, this is good too as well. The butterfly, the name. Look at the glowing colors. This too as well. Good. Wow, love this. Like, love this. Just love this. So let me show you another one too as well. Let me be quick with that. That is for Abigail. I'll be good with Abigail. Not correct. Love this too. Not correct. The spelling is almost not correct. This is something else. So wow, Abigail, this is lovely. Wow, 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 this is wonderful. This is wonderful. So sometimes Bing image creator does not spell the name correctly, so you have to choose. That's why I have 4 different images. So this is another one, Angel. Oh, see, as you can see, not correct. The spelling not correct. So look at this. Wow, wonderful. Love this. So wow, like this particular one. Look at the wings. Loving. Look at the butterfly too. Wow, the love with the ring at the top too. Angel. So let us check another one too. So I've downloaded these two. Clicking that arrow. As you can see, Angel again. Lovely. Wow, that's good. So that's how to create a good trending name effect using AI. So you can check the prompts now. So if you are watching this video and have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you want something like this, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications when I upload a video like this. If you like this video, kindly drop your comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video by clicking on the like button on your screen, and also don't forget to share this video across the socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.